Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor in the Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Welcomes you all in the classroom. Today the topic is homeopathic pharmacy. Firstly, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि फार्मेसी क्या होनी चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले हम फार्मेसी के डेफिनेशन स्टडी करेंगे. Definition: it is an art and science of identifying, selecting, collecting, combining, preparing and preserving of and standardization of drug and medicine either from natural and synthetic source. फर्स्टली हमें पता होना चाहिए कि आर्ट एंड साइंस क्या होता है. तो सबसे पहले आर्ट क्या होता है. आर्ट क्या होता है? नॉलेज एंड स्किल. मतलब किसी उस फील्ड में आपका स्पेसिफिक स्किल होनी चाहिए, आपके पास स्पेशलिटी होनी चाहिए, नॉलेज होना चाहिए उस फील्ड का. साइंस क्या होती है? सिस्टमिक एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ स्टडी. मतलब कोई भी आपने स्टडी करी है, आपके पास नॉलेज है, आप उसको कैसे अप्लाई करोगे फील्ड में. And after that we study about the identifying, selecting, collecting and combining and preparing, preserving and standardization of drug. फार्मेसी में जितने भी हमारे पास वर्ड है उन सबको हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. सिलेक्शन क्या होता है, कलेक्शन क्या होता है, कंबाइनिंग क्या होता है एंड प्रिपेयरिंग एंड प्रिजर्विंग क्या होता है, स्टैंडर्ड ड्रग्स क्या होते हैं, उनके रूल्स रेगुलेशन क्या होते हैं, नेचुरल एंड सिंथेटिक सोर्स क्या होते हैं. एंड इसके अलावा फार्मेसी में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? नॉलेज ऑफ मेडिसिन, आर्ट ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग एंड डिस्पेंसिंग ऑफ मेडिसिन. आफ्टर दैट वी स्टडी अबाउट द होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी. What is the homeopathic pharmacy? It is an art and science by means which can acquire the sound knowledge about the art of identifying, collecting of the medicine substance from different sources, either natural or synthetic. After that, the preparing of the medicine and preserving of the medicine in laboratory. And after that, the combining and compounding according to the rules and regulation of the homeopathic pharmacopoeia. And dispensing of the medicine according to the physician's prescriptions. It is also include the legal and professional aspect of related to drug and medicine. It means we study about the legal aspects, means we about the rules and regulation conducted by the government of the country. After that we study the detail of the word about the selecting, collecting and compounding. Homeopathic pharmacy includes firstly selecting. In this mean we select the drugs and medicines according to their nature and properties. After that, the collection. In collection word we study about the how to collect, the crude drug, in this topic we study about the how to collect the drugs and which type of drugs. In this it include the botanist and chemist. After that, the preparing. It includes the method of preparation of drugs. Like old method and new method. In new method we include the percolation and maceration process. After that we study about the preserving, in this process we made the medicines, and remedy. After that we know about the how to preserve them. In this we know about the how to preserve the drug and medicines according to homeopathic pharmacopoeia. After that we study about the combining. In this process we combine the two substances. And make the new medicines. After that we study about the compounding. In this process we compound the two elements and make the new drug. After that we study about the quality control. In this topic we study about the quality and assurance of the drug and medicine according to laboratory. After that we study about the standardization. Standardization of the drug. In this topic we study about the standard of the drugs and medicines according to rules and regulation. By the homeopathic pharmacopoeia and given by the authority. After that we study about the dispensing of medicine. In definition of homeopathic pharmacy, we study about the dispensing of the medicine according to the physician prescription. Means we dispense the medicines according to the prescription of the written by the physician. Hope you all understand this topic.